Quantum physics states that reality is not fixed, but rather created through our observation of it. We can actually create our reality through our thoughts and our beliefs. Hi everybody, I'm Sarah Stone Love. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it's all about the science and psychology of manifesting. I'm really excited today. We're talking about Neville Goddard's eavesdropping method. What's really cool about Neville Goddard is he believed that you could manifest anything just by tuning in to the frequency of your desired outcome. I find that fascinating because it parallels all the concepts of quantum physics. With Neville Goddard's eavesdropping method, you basically just visualize and imagine that two people or a small group of people are talking about you. And they're talking about you in a positive way and you're overhearing it. Maybe you're behind a door and you're listening in and these two people are going, wow. Did you hear about Sarah? Can you believe all the money she just manifested? Or wow, did you hear? She's one of the leading law of assumption coaches of the entire world. Look at how fast she blew up. Whatever outcome it is that you're trying to achieve, you hear these two people talking about it. And pick two people that you trust, two people that resonate with you, that you feel positive about when you think about them, so that you can really clearly hear their voice and feel like it's real. So this helps you to create this mental image so that you can align with the frequency that you're trying to achieve, the frequency of whatever it is that you want to have in your life manifest. You're basically trying to get your conscious mind and your subconscious mind to be in alignment. Because remember, your subconscious mind, that subconscious reel that's playing in the background, is all programming from your childhood, and it doesn't always align with your end goal. It doesn't always align with what you want because it's programming from other people, and they didn't always have your best interest at heart. So you've got to get your conscious and your subconscious mind to be in agreement, to be in alignment, and then you're inspired to take action without any of that resistance. Without any of those little negative voices inside of you saying, you can't do that, you're not good enough, you're too old, or you're too young, or you're not ready. All of that just goes away. So remember, quantum physics proves that reality is not fixed, but created through our observation. And your perceptions and your assumptions and your beliefs actually alter those observations. So you can use different manifestation methods like the eavesdropping method to actually alter your observations and alter the way you're observing things in your reality. So before you start the eavesdropping method and before you start your visualization, the first thing you want to do is get yourself into a deep, relaxed, hypnotic state. Calm your mind. A lot of people skip this part, and it is so important because when you calm yourself down and you get really relaxed, you're actually able to communicate more directly with your subconscious mind. And remember, your subconscious, when you're asleep, your subconscious takes over. It's what keeps your heart beating, it's what keeps you breathing, your digestion going on. Your subconscious never sleeps, and it's fully in control when your conscious mind goes to sleep. And so when you get really relaxed, you start being able to impress into your subconscious more dramatically than you ever could when you were just awake and fully alert. So don't skip this step because the more relaxed you are, the more you can get into those alpha brain waves, the easier you can impress into your subconscious mind. It is literally like the gateway to your subconscious. Or try this visualization right as you're going to bed. That's when you're actually dissolving the border between your conscious and your subconscious right as you're drifting off to sleep. Is like this magic moment to manifest anything. So I like to have fun with the eavesdropping method. I imagine maybe my mom and my sister or two people that are really close to me that are having this conversation, and I'm kind of like peeking through a door, and I'm like peeking through to see what's going on, and they don't know I'm there, which just kind of makes it playful and fun. And you overhear them talking about how they cannot believe that you have accomplished this goal. Like they can't believe it. Did you hear what Sarah did? So imagine all of the details, the tone of the voice, the way they're looking at each other, the way they're placing their hands as they're talking. Maybe they're a little jealous. Maybe they're just excited for you. Whatever it is, like get into the feeling of it. Pick people that make you feel good about yourself so you don't have a lot of resistance in what they're saying. Wow, can you believe Sarah Stone Love is already a leading law of assumption coach helping millions of people around the world? And maybe the other person says, I can't believe it happened so fast. It was like that. And just keep it very short and simple. Keep looping it in your mind as you drift off to sleep until you feel the feeling of your wish already being fulfilled. I'm Sarah Stone Love. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know, give me some feedback, and I'll see you every Tuesday and Thursday. We'll be sharing more content on the law of assumption.